Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to issue store credit in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just open the Shopify main account, and now here you have to move to orders. So you can see on the left top side order option is here, so simply click on the orders. So in my case you can see I don't have still select a payment method, or I don't have still any order. So first of all you have to select the payment method, and if you have any available order, your payment method is set up fully. So finally what we have got to know that we have finally fully prepared order with the payment method approved. You can easily issue store credit in case your order is completed and listed here.